Okay, can you all see the screen, all of you? Ananya, Abigail, Angel, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 students. Okay, before starting 20C students, 20C, just go through all the formulas. Tell me what is sine, what's the order we write? What are the trigonometric ratios we have? Sine, cos,
Tan, cot,
sec and
cosec.
cosec. Okay, now give me a minute. Is Delisha online?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll start with 20C. Let me share the questions. Yeah, Ania, did you send any message?
So I was able to join, so that's why I
Okay, okay.
texted you.
Okay, let's start, students. Look here. Remember this sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. This order, left hand side. Left hand side. How is sine and cosec related? How are they related? Sine is equal to 1 by cosec theta. What do you call this as? We call it as reciprocal relation. What relation on the left hand side? Reciprocal relation. Yes. This is reciprocal relation. All of you will write the value sine theta is 1 by cosec theta. This is nothing but if I write sine 45 degree, students, sine 45 degree is equals to 1 by what? What is the reciprocal of sine 45? 1 by cosec 45. If I write sine 90 degree, how do you convert in terms of cosec? 1 by, yeah, Angel, Kia, all of you will answer this, students. If I write sine 90, what is the reciprocal of sine? Reciprocal of sine is cosec. 90 degree will remain as it is. That's the value of theta. The theta is nothing but angle. They will remain same. Okay, if I write cosec 62 degrees, what is the reciprocal of cosec? Reciprocal. Sine. 1 by sine. Sine what? See, Kia, whenever you're answering, I can get some messages, notification sounds. Are you busy?
Sir, no, sir.
Mute.
It's from
Another group, fine. Another group, all that is fine. Mute the note. Yeah, mute WhatsApp, delete WhatsApp. Concentrate here.
Yes. Yes.
What's the value? Cosec 62 is equals to 1 by sine 62. Now, what is the value of cos, students? What is the reciprocal relation of cos? What's the reciprocal relation for cos?
Sec.
Sec. 1 by sec. Ananya, how many times to explain? For cos, it is 1 by sec. So cos 23 degrees. What's the answer for cos 23, Ananya? What is the reciprocal relation?
1 by sec theta 23 degrees.
Not sec theta, sec 23 degree. Theta is only 23.
Okay, sir.
Okay, in place of theta. Concentrate, students. It is useful even for 10th standard. You'll have same thing. Even for 10th, I'm teaching the same thing. Okay. So if you don't understand now, next year it will be very difficult. Cos 23 is equals to 1 by sec 23. Okay, what about sec 49 degrees? What is the reciprocal relation of sec 49? 1 by
Cos 49.
degrees. Okay, 49 degrees. That's it. Then tan is reciprocal to which one? Cot. Cot 89 degrees is equals to, what is the value of cot 89?
1 by tan 89.
Tan 89 degrees. Okay, you don't have to write all this. Just remember reciprocal relation, left hand side, reciprocal. Do you have any doubts in this? Is it clear? Okay, right hand side. See, left hand side, this diagram, these arrows are reciprocal relation. Right hand side, the arrows are like this. Remember, left hand side, right hand side. You call right hand side, we call it as complementary angles. Complementary angles. See, complementary angles are nothing but sine is complementary to which one? Sine is complementary to which one? What is the arrow? Not cosec. Cos. See, when I talk about complementary, students, look at the arrow what I have drawn. Sine is complementary to cos. So sine theta is equals to, the formula for this is cos 90 minus theta. Make a note of this formula. Then what will be the value of cos theta? Cos theta, what is the complement of cos theta? Sine 90 minus theta. So for complementary angles, we'll have a formula like this. For reciprocal, there is no formula. For complementary, we have a value 90 minus theta. Make a note of this, right? For tan, cot, sec, and cosec. So for reciprocal, there is no formula. We just reciprocate the value. For complementary, we have a formula. Sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. What is tan theta? Angel, Kia, Ananya, what's the answer for tan theta? Complementary. See, for tan, the complementary reciprocal both are same. So what will be for tan theta? Cot theta. Okay, Delicia, be there when I explained all this. When did you leave the meeting, Delicia?
Few minutes ago, sir, I wasn't able to hear you, so I left the meeting.
You should send a message. See, again, I have to explain. Okay, reciprocal relation. You understood reciprocal relation? Okay, next complementary. Left hand side reciprocal, right hand side. Just remember this like a diagram, students. Remember like diagram. Left hand side reciprocal. When we are solving questions, it is very simple. Okay, this method is it's going to be very simple to solve. Right hand side, Delicia, sine is equal to what? Right hand side, sine is equal to cos. Tan is equal to cot. Sec is equal to all this relation sine, cos, tan, cot. What do you call this relation as? We call it as complementary angle. Left hand side reciprocal, right hand side complementary. For complementary, this is the formula. Sine is complementary to which one? Sine is complementary to cos. And the formula is 90 minus theta. Now tell me for cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot is complementary to which one? Tan. In bracket, what's the formula?
90 minus theta.
90 minus theta. Good. Next, sec. Cosec formula?
90 minus theta.
90 minus theta. All of you understood this? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Reciprocal and complementary, students. Look, you can compare. Once your teacher starts this, you can compare how easy this method is. Okay, it is very easy to solve the questions. Exercise 20. So what kind of relation are these? What do you call this relation? We call it as complementary angle. Complementary angles. Okay, last value is left. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. All these are complementary. Reciprocal values. What are reciprocal relations, students? Yes. What are the reciprocal relation for sine? Sine theta is equals to, look at the left hand side diagram. How do you write reciprocal relation? Sine theta is equal to 1 by
1 by
cosec theta. Or cosec theta is equals to 1 by
sin theta.
sine theta. Write down this. Write this. Split the sheet into two parts. Right? Reciprocal relation, complementary angles. Kia, Angel, any doubts? Ania?
Sir. No, sir.
Okay. Complete. Right for tan theta, 1 by cot theta. Right for cot, sec, cosec. Yes, students done? All of you completed? Reciprocal, complementary.
Done, sir.
Okay, now Kia, I'll ask you a few questions. Just imagine this as diagram, students. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Left hand side, what kind of relation for left hand side? Left hand side, reciprocal relation. Right hand side, complementary angles. Now look here. Let me ask you a question. Sine 36 degree. What is the complementary of sine? Just imagine the right hand side. Sine and which one? Cos. Complementary. Cos. What is the formula? 90 minus. What is theta value? What is theta?
36.
36. What's the final answer? Cot. 90 minus 36 is Delicia. Mute the call, Delicia. There's a lot of background noise. What is 90 minus 36? 54 degrees.
24.
Why 24? You don't know how to calculate?
Sorry, sir. 50.
54. So what's the answer, students? What is the complementary of sine 36? What's the answer? Cos 54 degrees. Okay, now can you tell me reciprocal relation of sine 36? What is the reciprocal? Which side will you check? Left hand side or right hand side for reciprocal? left hand side. So what is the reciprocal of sine? 1 by
1 by cosec 36 degrees.
1 by cosec 36. There is no formula. You don't have to convert anything, write as it is. What is the formula? Answer 1 by cosec 36. See, your teachers, they won't solve it in this way. They'll just give you answers, values, they'll take you to memorize. It will be very tough. Okay, remember like this. This is very easy. Completed, all of you are done? Did you understand this? So for sine 36 students, for sine 36, this is complementary answer, complementary angle. Okay, complementary. And this is reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation. Okay, I'll give you all 3 questions. I want you all to find complementary and reciprocal answers. Find both for cosec, complementary and reciprocal. Next. Find complementary and reciprocal for both. Twenty C is going to be tough. It's a tough exercise. Take down the questions, all of you all. Cosec 51, cot 39, cos 45. I will take on the questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Completed, fine.
So the first one is
One minute. Anya, 1 minute. All of you all done? Only one student has, two students have completed. Abigail, any others? Delicia, Ananya still. Angel, Kia,
The last one was
completed soon. Okay, Abigail, do you have phone with you?
Yes, sir.
Whoever has, okay, send me a pic of this one, Abigail. Next exercise, 20C. Be quick, students. Complementary. Use, just imagine the left hand side. Reciprocal, right hand side. Delicia done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I was silent to you, sir.
Yeah, got it, Abigail. But here it's not reflecting. Okay, fine, students. We'll start slowly. Yes, Ania, can you tell me the first one? Complementary. How do you write complementary for cosec?
Sec 90 degrees minus 51 degrees. Then sec 39 degrees.
Very good. Cosec is right hand side. Cosec and right sec. For complementary, cosec and sec are one pair. They are partners. So cosec is equal to sec 90 minus what? 90 degree minus 51 degree. That is, the answer is sec
39.
39, 40, 50.
49 degrees.
Very good. Sec 39 degrees. What is the reciprocal for cosec 51?
Sec 51 degrees is equal to by sec 51 degrees.
No, no, no. Wrong. Wrong. Reciprocal relation.
So sec
No. Reciprocal left hand side. Cosec is equal to which one?
sine.
Sine. See, don't be in a hurry, students. Think and write it. These are some important concept. If you'll go wrong, I mean, for final exam, trigonometry chapter is for 10 marks. So reciprocal, what's the answer for reciprocal? 1 by sine. 1 by sine, 51 degrees. Okay, next, Kia, answer the next one. Cot 39. What is the complementary?
Yes, sir. Complementary is tan into 90 degrees minus 39 degrees, which is tan 51 degrees.
Tan 51
And
degrees.
the reciprocal is 1 by tan 39 degrees.
Yes, only for tan and cot, students. Look at this. Only for tan and cot, both are same. Reciprocal and complementary. The pair is same. Only for tan and cot, reciprocal and complementary pair will be same. 1 by tan 39. Okay, Angel, tell me the next one. Cos 45. What is the complementary of cos? Unmute the call, Angel. What is the complementary? Right hand side. Just imagine the right hand side diagram. No, your voice is not audible.
1 by tan 39 degrees. 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 1 by tan 39
Can you all hear Angel answering?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, Angel, your voice is not audible. Okay, rejoin. You rejoin. Ananya, answer the next one. Cos 45.
Yes. Sin 30, 90 minus 45, so it will be sin 45 degrees.
Sin 45. Next,
Yes, sir.
what is the reciprocal relation?
Is cos 45 degrees is equals to 1 by sin 45.
1 by sec 45 degrees.
Yes.
Okay, Angel, Delicia, did you all get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
See, still Angel's voice is not audible. Can you unmute? No, Angel, there is some problem with your audio, I guess. Fine. If you have understood, no problem. If you haven't understood, send a message. I'll teach later. Okay, all of you are done, completed, got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
That's it. This is how we have to solve it, student. Next, one more thing. When do we use this one? Complementary and reciprocal relation. When we the question is, when do we use this reciprocal and complementary? Is when the values in trigonometry table. What are the values we use? 0 degree. What are the values in trigonometry table? 0, 30, 45. Every for all this we have value. For all this we have value, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But what about 15 degrees? Do we have value for 15 degree? No. Do you have all value for 89 degrees? No, we don't have value. We have value for 75 in trigonometry table. I'm asking in trigonometry table, did we study for 75 degrees? No. No, we didn't study. For 1 degree, 2, 3, 29, up to 44. In between, whatever values you get, there is no value, students. Whenever such values are given, for example, cosec 51. Can you see cosec 51? Is it there in the trigonometry table? Is cosec 51 there in trigonometry? No. That time, which two concepts we use? What are the two concepts we use? Reciprocal relation and complementary angle. Next, 39 degrees. Is it there in the table? No, right? 39 degrees is not there in the table. Again, we use complementary angle, reciprocal relation. What about cos 45? Is cos 45 there in the table?
Yes.
What is cos 45 answer? What is cos 45 value? 1 by root 2. Okay. See, 1 by root 2. What is sin 45 value? Sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. So whenever we have 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90, we use trigonometry table. This is the concept. When we have such values, we use trigonometry table. If we don't have these values, we use reciprocal relation or complementary angle. Is it clear, Delicia? Kia, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it, students. These are the main concepts. We'll start solving the questions. Open your textbook, exercise 20'C. I'll upload the questions later. First question. Angel, did you understand? Do you have any doubts? But your voice is not audible. See, there is a thumbs up button, right? You can just click on that. In emojis, there's thumbs up button. I understand. Okay, fine. See, first question. First question is sine 27 degrees divided by cos 63. Okay, all of you will concentrate here. Is this 2763 there in the trigonometry table? Do we have these? No. That time what you do, when we have two values, keep the numerator as it is, students. Keep numerator as it is. Don't change. Let us convert the denominator. Always give preference for complementary angle first. Give preference for complementary, then reciprocal relation. Remember this logic. Now tell me the complementary of cos 63. Imagine the right hand side diagram for cos. What is the complementary? Sine 90 minus 90 minus. Tell me, I made your practice, right? 90 minus 63. Okay, first step. Next, keep sine 27 as it is. How much is 90 minus 63? 27 degree. Sine 27 will get cancelled. What is the answer? Answer is 1. Next, see, there are two ways to solve. You can either do it like this. If not, keep the denominator as it is, cos 63. Let's convert sine. What is the complementary for sine? Imagine the right hand side diagram. What is the complementary of sine? Cos complementary. What's the formula? Cos 90 minus 27. So what's the answer? 90 minus 27 is cos 63. Isn't it same? 1 and 1. That's it. This is how we solve the question. So usually what I do is I keep the numerator as it is. Okay, keep the numerator as it is, convert the denominator. You'll get the answer. If you have understood this, try the second question. Kia, can you explain the second one? What did I explain now? Is Kia online? Kia, can you unmute the call?
Yes, sir. My mom had called.
You keep your video on, Kia. Can you keep it turn on the video?
Yes, sir.
Keep your video on and attend. In between, you leave the class. You're not attending. You're not answering.
Sir, I was removed from the meeting, sir.
I removed because I asked you. I called out your name. You don't respond.
I was talking to my friend. Sorry, sir.
How do you solve this question? Tell me what I explained. First, turn on the video, Kia. Please turn on the video. Unmute the call and answer. Tell me what I explained. How do you solve this question?
Sir, we need to find the complementary, sir, of
Why complementary?
cos.
I'm doing the second question.
Yes, of course, sir. We have to find the complementary.
Tell me, can you explain why? Why complementary? What's the reason?
Sir, I keep getting muted, sir.
No, nobody is muting you, Kia.
Yes, sir. I'm getting muted over the beginning.
Explain now.
We have to find the complementary of cosec, sir.
Why? Why cosec?
So sine.
Why complementary of cosec? You're on. You unmuted here, but you're not answering anything. You're silent.
Yes, sir.
See, if you don't know, you do one thing here. You get back to your work. Whatever you're doing, if you're busy, you stop. I'll remove you from meeting. You watch the recording and join tomorrow.
Sir, I wasn't
Okay.
doing.
Because no, you're not answering. You're not answering properly. You go through the recording. Today I'll upload. Go through the recording. Log in at 1:30 tomorrow.
Sorry, sir. And
Okay. See, this is what will happen, students. If you're not answering, I'll remove you all from the meeting. Better watch the recording and attend. Okay. Tell me, Delicia, answer this.
yes, sir.
Which one you have to change? Sec 38 as it is. Which one will you change? Numerator or denominator?
Denominator, sir.
So first preference we give for complementary or reciprocal?
Complementary, sir.
First for complementary. So what is the cosec complementary of cosec?
Sec 90 minus 52.
Very good. 90 minus 52.
Second, sir. And 38, sir.
Sec 38. All of you have done this? Sec
Cancel it, so it's 1, sir.
1. All of you got the answer?
Yes.
Next. Try the next one, students. Try the third question. Wait, let me see the third one. Okay, complete the third one. Tan 19 cot 71. Yes, Anya, explain this. Tan 19 cot 71.
So tan 19 is divided by tan 90 minus 71 degrees.
Very good. 71.
So tan 19 by tan 19 is equal to 1 because it
Gets cancelled. Yes. So first main is done. Second main, first question. Look here. Second main. Total how many questions do we have together, students? Second main, first one. Total how many questions? We have 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For both, we do the same thing. Cosec 58. Yes. Ananya, all of you look at the screen. Ananya, how do you convert the first one? Tell me the first one.
First sine 72 degrees by sine 90 degrees into 72 degrees.
Yes. Sine 90 minus, not 72.
18 degrees.
18 degrees, not 72. Whatever value is there, that you have to write. Minus for this one, same concept. Keep sec 32. Then convert cosec. What is complementary of cosec? Complementary is Ananya. What is?
Sec 90 minus
90 minus
58.
58 degrees. Next. What's the answer? Sine 72 degrees divided by sine 72 minus sec 32 divided by.
Sec 32.
So what's the answer, students? 1 minus 1. The answer is 0. Understood, all of you all? Completed? Yeah. Try this, students. Try it. It's the same. 0 is the answer. And why are we using complementary here? What's the reason? Do we have 72 degrees in the table? Trigonometry table? 18, 32, 58. None of these are in trigonometry table. That's the reason we use complementary. I'll tell you when to use reciprocal. First, we always use complementary. Yes, Delicia, tell me. You've raised your hand. Is Delicia online? Not able to unmute. Okay, rejoin Delicia. Rejoin. Simple concept, students. Complementary, reciprocal. Always start with complementary. 90 minus value. Yeah, tell me, Delicia, what's your doubt? Still not able to unmute? Okay, you're on. You have unmuted, but I'm not able to hear. Okay, try the next one, students. 2 tan 53 degrees divided by cot 37 degrees minus cot.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Delicia, tell me.
I was hear you, sir. So I ask you again.
Okay, so this concept you didn't understand this question?
No, sir, I wasn't able to hear you, sir, but I understood, sir.
Okay, it's the same, Delicia. You just need to convert it. Use complementary concept.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. See, even this question, students, keep 2 as it is. In the numerator, keep 2 as it is. Try to convert the other value. Yes, Abigail, can you explain this? 2 tan 53 as it is. Cot. Yeah, Abigail, unmute. Unmute the call.
Yes, sir.
What is the reciprocal of cot?
Tan 90 minus 37.
90 minus 37 degree. Minus for this one?
Cot 80 degrees by cot 90 minus 10.
90 minus 10. Then 2 into tan 53 divided by
Divided by tan 53 degrees minus cot 80 degree by cot 80 degrees.
Okay, next. It will get cancelled. What do you get? 2 into 1 minus 1.
Minus 1.
See, 2 will get multiplied, students. 2 into 1. This is the concept. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1.
1.
The answer is 1. Yes, students completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try the next one. Question. Third main first question. Okay, I'll explain third main first one. Let me explain. Shall we start with the next one? Third main first one. Third main first question. Sine 80 degree divided by cos 18 degree. Cos 10 degree. Cos 10 degrees plus sine 59 degrees sec 31 degree. Okay, how many values do we have here? Total how many values, students? We have
True, sir.
2, right? Yeah, Kia, turn on the video. Okay, how many values do we have here, students? We have two values, right? Before in plus two values and we have plus. See, same concept. Keep sign. Which one do we need to convert? Sine 80 and which one? What is the complementary of cos? What's the complementary of cos? Sine
Sine 90
minus 10. See, even here we have sine 59 sec 31. Keep the first value as it is. Keep first value. What is sine 59? As it is. What is sec 31? What is the complementary of sec 31, students? Complementary of sec.
cosec
Cosec. What do you get? Cosec
90 minus 31.
31. Okay, here what do you get? Sine 80 divided by
Sine 80.
sine 80 degrees plus here what do we get? Sine 59 degree into what is cosec 90 minus 31? Cosec what? Cosec? Calculate it. Kia, what's the answer here? Unmute the call, Kia.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, Kia. Anyway, you have missed 3 classes. I'll upload the recording. Watch last half hour and attend tomorrow.
Yes.
From tomorrow onwards, your video should be on. Okay, what's the answer, students? Cosec 90 minus 31 is 59. If the meeting gets over, all of you will rejoin. If the meeting ends, all of you will rejoin. What is sine 80 by sine 80? Sine 80 by sine 80 is 1. Now, is sine 59 and cosec 59 is given. We are not able to cancel. Did we use complementary concept here? Did we use? Okay, which concept did we use here? Complementary or reciprocal? Students, can you all see the screen? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which concept? Last question. After this, we'll end the class. Which concept did we complete? Complementary. Are we able to cancel them? Are we able to cancel? No. So what you do, keep sign 59. We have done complementary angle. Next use, we have done complementary. Use reciprocal relation. Keep sign 59 as it is. What is the reciprocal opposite?
One, one.
Reciprocal. Look at the left hand side diagram.
It was like sign 59.
Now which one gets cancelled?
Sign and sign.
So what's the answer? 1 plus 1? Is it clear? Did you understand when to use reciprocal? In, yeah, after using complementary, if you are not able to cancel, use reciprocal relation. Use reciprocal, you'll be able to complete it. Angel, Delicia, how you understood? Ananya, Abigail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it, students. Now for homework, I'll give you a few questions. Yeah, complete the third main, second one, and fourth main, first one. Third main, second one, fourth main, first one for homework. Yeah, Kia, you can watch the recording, Kia. Anyway, you don't have understood.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll send it by 6. I'll send you watch it, and tomorrow you repeat the same thing. I'll do the same. I'll just remove all from the meeting, students. Once or twice I'll call out. If you're not answering, I'll remove all from the meeting. You have to watch the recording and attend next day. Okay, complete this for homework and join tomorrow. Log in tomorrow at 1:30. That's it for today. You all can leave. All of you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, bye, students. You can leave.